What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. I've got a really interesting brand name in my hands today. Well, the name of the brand is Xyrcle. The fragrance name, it's called Black Gold. I'm not even sure if it will lean somewhere close towards Mansura's Black Gold. I'm not expecting it to go in that direction. But the reason why I got this particular fragrance was because, one, it's a brand new house, and number two, the fragrance promises a lot of citrusy notes plus some creamy aspects to it. Now, if you've been following my channel long enough, you know I love citruses and freshes. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. And I'm not even sure if there's any kind of like a special packaging inside. So let's go ahead and see. They come in 30 ml sizes and they cost around $80. I will post a link to their website. Go ahead and check them out. They are a local business here in the United States. Let's see what Xyrcle's Black Gold is all about. Some packaging peanuts, that's it. So there's a little box, as you can see. I would say that's a very nice presentation. It's a 30 ml size. So this is the beautiful bottle. I would say that it's pretty simple, yet it looks very elegant, very promising. Let's go ahead and see what Xyrcle's Black Gold smells like. So assuming this is probably going to be a very strong, very long-lasting fragrance, we'll see. I will be back with a full review, of course, so stay tuned. Make sure if you're a first-time visitor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, the cap, it's not metallic or metal, it's plastic, but you know, the touch is premium. Like, it does not feel like one of those super cheap plastics. Let's see, let's spray Xyrcle's Black Gold for the first time. Any leaks? No leaks. But before I spray, let me tell you about the notes. So as per their website, on the top you've got some lemon, orange, grapefruit, and mint. Fresh, zesty, fruity, like really nice opening, I'm assuming. On the mids you've got amber, peach, and orris. So maybe some kind of powdery, buttery. I'm not sure if this orris is going to be the buttery one or the powdery one. Some ambery peach vibes. So guessing some kind of like a milder, easy to wear, airy kind of vibes with some amber. Not sure how the amber is gonna play out. And on the base you've got some vanilla, tonka bean, and sandalwood. And as per the website, it's a 25% extrait. Wow. Let's go ahead and see what this one smells like. I'm gonna go directly on skin. Okay, atomizer it's got a very wide distribution. It's got a wide mist distribution. So I would say spray it closer to the skin. It's not super focused, but it felt like a pressurized one. It's got a very nice, very refreshing kind of opening. Something that I want to address up front. This thing packs a punch, at least in the opening. The atomizer, although the atomizer came in primed, maybe, you know, like they did a spray or two just to make sure. I think they are a relatively brand new house, so maybe they don't want to, you know, get any returns back. So assuming, you know, they might just prime the atomizer, I don't mind. The orange, to my nose, it feels more dominant. There's a hint of zestiness, some spicy mint, cooling. So the citrusy opening, it's not one of your fruity ones. Maybe it might turn a bit fruity later down the line. But overall, the opening is very refreshing and easy to wear. I'm getting some kind of like a sweetness, like almost like a candied kind of sweetness coming through. Also, the fragrance, I believe the orris and the tonka bean here, it's probably gonna be somewhere in the creamy, buttery kind of vibe, because so far, the first couple of seconds or minutes right here, I'm not getting any kind of like a powdery vibe. So I'm not sure what to expect later down the line, but at least on the first impression, it's not feeling like a powdery thing. Which in my opinion is a good thing, because I personally, okay, I love powdery stuff, but you know, freshes, they should be like juicy, buttery, creamy, that kind of citruses I like. It's a bit on the airy side, not super dense, not super loud, but it does pack a punch. Like, it's traveling through the air into my nostrils. Like, it does have that room filler kind of qualities, at least on the first impression, but it's not something that would overwhelm your senses. That's a very good thing in my opinion. So perfectly, I could say this is very good for the office wear. So the vanilla over here, I do get the vanilla already. It's more on the sweeter side, almost has a gourmand touch to it. So the sandalwood here definitely has a creamy, woody, dry, woody texture. Not super pronounced kind of sandalwood here. The amberiness is like a sweet amber, just that. No smoky or dark kind of vibe. So it's kind of like deceiving because the note it says black gold. I was expecting maybe this was one of that dark citrusy fragrance, but it's not. It's a pretty easy to wear, very soothing, and like a dumb rich kind of fragrance. So far, $80 for 30 mils. This is an extrait de parfum. This one feels really nice. If you have tried Xyrcle's Black Gold, let me know in the comments, guys. I'll be very happy to hear back from you. Or if this is the first time you're hearing this brand, about this brand, let me know in the comments whether you've heard about Xyrcle's Black Gold. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button too. Man, I'm loving this fragrance so far. I wonder how it's gonna transform over time, because so far it's pretty promising. The peach did not come through, like maybe, maybe during the full wear. Let's see. So far it's pretty promising. Has sweet edge. I'm loving it so far. Guys, let me know in the comments. I'll be very happy to hear back from you, and the link will be in the description. And again, as always, this is not a sponsored content. Your subscription to my channel and comments will help me gain more traction in the YouTube algorithm, right? So please help me with that. I will see you in the next one. Until then, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.